We've talked a lot on this program about what to do if you're injured in an accident. Of course, you should immediately seek medical attention. It's also a very good idea to take notes of everything you remember about the accident and take pictures of the damages to your car and your visible injuries. But is there anything you should not do? Absolutely. Don't downplay your injuries before you know the extent of them. If you said you were fine at the scene, it may come back to haunt you if your injuries prove to be more serious. Don't make any kind of statement, even if an insurance representative tells you it is off the record, until you've consulted a lawyer. And never, ever sign any type of settlement papers without consulting a personal injury attorney. One wrong move at such a critical time, and you may never be able to get what you're entitled to and should get from the party who was responsible for your injuries. That's your legal brief for tonight. I'm personal injury attorney Stan Friedman. Back to you.